Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday. And today I am bringing you one of many GlamGlow masks, and this is the Youthmud Tingle Exfoliant Treatment. Oh yeah. So if you don't know where this is from, if you check out last week's video, I actually received quite a few of these bad boys, and I'm just getting around to testing them. I'm super excited about this. I'm literally like, I'm actually going to be testing out this gorgeous brush. It's so soft. I've been literally just, you know, brushing my face with it. So sad. But yeah, this is a really cool sounding mask actually. It's not anything too special, but yeah, so it just says stir and apply a thin layer to clean skin. Expect a tingle-tastic tingling effect in 10 minutes or less. Remove with water in circular motions to exfoliate. Use twice a week or as desired. So it's super quick actually, 10 minutes or less. I'm really curious to how this looks, so I'm ready to just, you know, peel this all off. Of course, it does come with the seal, so I'm gonna have to try and sit here and okay, it smells interesting. It's like a brown, well, not really brown. It's like a grey-brown colour. Let's see. It's actually quite thick, so it doesn't really mix. When they said stir, I thought it'd be quite liquidy, but it's actually quite thick. Whoa, the bristles have gone really crazy all of a sudden. I don't know what that was all about, but hey ho. Don't know too much about the smell. It doesn't smell too bad, but it doesn't smell the best either, but hey ho. So I guess, you know, let's just jump straight into this. What's the point in wasting time? Let's just apply this. Ooh. Okay, so I've pretty much got like a thin layer covered. I didn't want to overdo it because it does say do a thin layer, and okay. Just to start off, I can definitely feel it. It feels quite hot. I don't know whether that's just because I've got relatively sensitive skin, but yeah, you can definitely feel it. Probably won't leave this on for too long, but I'm gonna go in the mirror quickly and just double check I've actually covered all of the bases, but yeah, it is very hot. Really tingly, and yeah, but I must say with the brush that actually didn't take that long. I think it took like a couple of minutes just to get this kind of level of coverage, which is not that bad. Yeah, I actually like it because I've used some brushes before and that's probably one of my favourites so far, so definitely going to use it again. Okay you guys, so as you can see it's actually dried in now. It's very crusty. Yeah, flaking slightly, but yeah, so it doesn't tingle anymore. It was just that initial feeling of heat, but it's very drying. So you can feel everything sucked in, which is quite nice, but yeah, I can hardly move. can see all the movement. But anyway, you guys, so I'm actually going to go to the bathroom now and wash this off, and I'm going to ensure that I'm doing circular motions so that I can actually exfoliate with this mask also. But anyway, you guys, I will be back in 2 seconds to give you the full review. Okay, so I've just, rinsed it all off. You can probably see my face has a little bit of redness to it. That is purely, I believe, the way that I was exfoliating it. Was a little bit aggressive perhaps, and maybe I should have been a little bit gentler on my skin, as I believe it does say gently. It doesn't say gently, but the idea should be that you gently do it or apply as much pressure as you need to. However, holy damn. Whoa. My skin. Oh, hello. Oh, it feels so soft. It feels silky, smooth. Like, that's not even a joke. Oh my god. It literally feels silky smooth. It is quite hot because obviously I've, exfoliated. So what I may do is just put a little bit of moisturiser on just to get some moisture back into the skin. But like, honest to God, guys. Oh, look at that cheek. This mask, wow. Youthmud, I can tell why it's Youthmud, because it literally makes you feel like a baby. Holy crap. Oh my god. It literally is like amazing. Oh my god. I just want to hold my face and just, it feels so great. Even the forehead. Like, there are still bumps where my acne is, but it's just so smooth at the same time. And I can feel some hairs. Oh, that's weird. I can feel my hair growing like peach fuzz on this cheek. It's not really on this cheek. No, it's there. I'm getting peach fuzz on the cheeks. Not cute. Right, so what are my opinions on this mask? A little bit tingly at the beginning, which is what it does say. It's a tingle exfoliant treatment, so you should experience some tingling. But maybe just, if you are going to get this mask, try the little sample versions if they've got any of those, and just trial it on like a small patch of skin, just to make sure that you are, it's not going to be too much. Now, I usually do get quite sensitive against some of these masks, and this wasn't too bad of a reaction to it. Obviously I did go red, but again, I'm pretty sure that was just because I went really rough trying to scrub this stuff off, when surely I should be doing it a little bit gentler. So I've learned that for the next time, but you may end up with a little bit of redness, but it's worth it for this, how smooth and how exfoliated my skin generally feels. Like, I'm not even joking you right now. So would I recommend this? Overall, yes. If obviously it is a little bit more pricey, being that it is, I think from from my memory, it's like £42, 42 maybe. The link will be down below to the GlamGlow website for this particular mask, but yeah. I think it is worth it though, because you don't need a lot of mask. Like, I hardly used, let me just demonstrate. Look at how much is still in there. You could probably get through 5, 6, 7, I'd say most 10, possibility of 10 masks in this, if not even more maybe, I don't know. But I know that it wasn't obviously filled to the top. It's, you know, filled to probably about here. So the fact that there is still quite a lot left in there in comparison, I'm quite baffled. And if you guys do see this bad boy anywhere, I definitely would recommend it actually. I actually spoke to my friend Leanne, who's been testing these out, and she wasn't too big of a fan of the brush. But do you know what? I think it has potential. It does obviously stick to the bristles, but it's going to, no matter what you do. But just make sure that each time that you're using something like a brush, that you're cleaning it each time so that you're not leaving residue product on it. And probably as well, I'd, you know, clean it before it dries too much, so that it's a little bit easier for you to clean up. But anyway, you guys, I would highly recommend it, so definitely get down below and check out that link and get it for yourself. Also, if you are enjoying this content and you would love to see some more face masks or crazy videos of mine, make sure that you're hitting that subscription button down below as well. And if you want to keep up to date with every Monday and Friday, hit the bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. But anyway, as always, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.